Good morning. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. If you're new to my channel, you may not know that I do keto a little differently than most people out there. My protein grams are a little higher than most, and my fat grams are a little lower. My macros are set specifically for fat loss. And so if that's what you're looking for, hang in and see what I have to show you. I hope that I have something on here that might be interesting to you. I will also show you how Chef Dave makes my chicken Alfredo with Zoodles. So I hope you like that recipe, and I hope you find something that you can do, even if you're doing regular high-fat, low-carb keto. Good morning. It is Wednesday, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I have 39 grams of center-cut bacon and 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 2 fried eggs, 227 grams of Chobani Greek yogurt, and a giant mug of Keto brew sweetened with stevia with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And this is the sweetener that I use in my yogurt. I just use the water enhancer.
Draw something for you.
I just use the water enhancer, and you can get this at Walmart. And this is my drink. It is Keto brew, ground cocoa beans, and that's all it is, just cocoa beans. So it's like drinking hot chocolate every morning. I am a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and so I do not drink coffee for religious reasons, and this is what I choose to drink with my meals in the morning, at least right now while the weather is still chilly. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. So I stopped to get water to put in some of my Sole and Mio drops to make a refreshing drink, and I didn't even realize that I actually bought sparkling water. So I've got me my own little soda here where I've put about 1.5 tablespoons of Sole water and 3 squirts of orchard apple Mio, and it's a pretty dang good little soda. So that's kind of fun. Thought I'd share that with you guys. Okay, it's Wednesday night and I'm having my very favorite comfort food, a cup or 2 of Zoodles. I'm not really sure. I always say that because I don't really always measure. I kind of eyeball my zucchini because my carbs are always so low that it doesn't really matter. 6 ounces of chicken breast in here, and 2 ounces of provolone cheese, and 1/2 cup of ragu Alfredo sauce. And I'm probably going to show you guys how I make the Zoodles, or how Chef Dave makes the Zoodles at some point this week. So keep an eye out for that recipe, and we will talk to you again soon. Okay, here is what I'm going to eat for my first meal today at Commonwealth School. I have 40 grams of center-cut bacon that I cooked before I left and brought with me to eat cold. I have about 3 ounces of Applegate Naturals turkey breast, which is 0 carb, with a little bit of cream cheese inside. Let's see if I can open one. It's cream cheese, provolone, and Hatch Valley salsa inside, and I microwave those so they're hot. 1 boiled egg and 60 grams of strawberries, and then I'm going to have some mango Coke and 1 or 2 of these sugar-free snack pack Jellos, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, I'm here at the clogging studio, and this is what I'm going to have for my second meal. I actually ordered a number 10, which is their regular lettuce wrap meal. And then I got a double patty. So these are 2 third-pound patties and 2 slices of American cheese, and I just get it with no sauce. So no ketchup, no mayo, or anything like that. And if I want to, I can put a little ranch dressing on it if I feel like it needs something, if it's too dry. And then I have just a side salad with ranch and a Coke Zero. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Good morning. Not so happy Friday. Everyone seems to be melting down today, but you know what? We're still making it work. We're making it happen. Breakfast today, same as usual. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of provolone cheese. This is about 49 grams of center-cut bacon today. 227 grams of Chobani Greek yogurt, 0% with orange vanilla Mio. And a cup of Keto brew, sweetened with stevia that looks like this, and thickened with half and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, for a second meal today, I'm having my favorite thing at Chubby's. It is 2/3 pound patties, a slice of ham, some bacon. It's got pepper jack cheese and cheddar cheese and ranch dressing and jalapenos. This is the jalapeno bacon ranch burger. It's delicious. And a salad with blue cheese and a diet Dr. Pepper. And these girls are having good stuff, but it's good stuff. Everything here is good, right? Carbs. You're proud of your carbs? Oh yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. Look at those wings. So delicious. I can't wait to eat this.
Alright, here we go. This is Tammy's Zoodles Alfredo. It's her favorite thing. She loves it. It's really good. It's also adjustable. I mean, you can adjust your macros throughout. You can adjust the amount of protein with the chicken breast. You can adjust the amount of fat with the ragu, and depending upon what kind of cheese you use. So, what she needs is 6 ounces of chicken. What I like to do is actually slice it first into little medallions. And that also helps with it cook faster. And then I'll just take this little bit of fat out, and that should be close enough. All right. All I usually do with this is a little bit of salt and pepper, maybe some other seasoning, just depends on what you like. Now we're going to prepare the zoodles. It's got suction cups on the bottom, but they don't really stick to the cutting board, so. Now what we'll do here is we'll just kind of mix and match some of these. This is way more than we're going to use tonight, so we can just put it in a Ziploc bag. It'll stay good in the fridge for I don't know, 3-4 days. We use it a lot around here, so that's usually about as long as it lasts in the house before we need to make some more. Alright, we got the pan warming up. We just put a little bit of olive oil spray. It's just olive oil. So we get it warmed up. We take the chicken. A little bit more salt. I actually like using some of this roasted garlic and herb seasoning. It's really pretty good. There we go. Zero on everything, so just a little tiny sprinkle of that. Now I usually watch for them to start turning white like that. That's the other reason I like cutting them up first, is because it cooks a lot faster. I mean, this is really a quick quick, easy meal. That's part of the reason we want it. It's flexible. That's why we use it. Get them to that point, get them flipped over. You add in now that looks like a lot of zoodles, but it will cook down. Alright, a little bit of salt on the zucchini. Not a flip. We're just starting to. Now on top of this, while everything's cooking, we measure out 2 ounces of cheese. Close enough. Alright, looks like the zoodles are just about the way we like them. Then we put the chicken up on top of it. Once the chicken's done. And then lay the cheese on top of that. Melted. Pour the sauce over the top.
And here is the final product. Looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Happy Monday, everyone. I'm having 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and 227 grams of Chobani Greek yogurt, the 0% sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, here is my second meal of the day. Chef Dave made a delicious rump roast. This is 7 ounces of rump roast and a cup of fresh green beans with a tablespoon of butter. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. It's not quite high enough for my fat macros, so I am going to eat half of a Lily bar, which will give me more fat. And that will be all I'm going to eat today. All right, breakfast today is pretty much the same as every day. And we're heading out to vacation today, so this is gonna be my only meal until we arrive at our destination. We're not gonna be snacking on our way down. 2 eggs, 44 grams of center cut bacon, an ounce of mozzarella cheese, and 227 grams of Chobani Greek yogurt, 0% sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. This is a very beautiful salad with blue cheese and no croutons. Delicious. Got stuffed mushrooms and they made them for us with no croutons. Wow. I mean, no breadcrumbs. Oh yeah, so let's try that again. We got stuffed mushrooms and they made them for us with no breadcrumbs. Amazing. Alright, so this is a baseball sirloin steak. It is 10 ounces. You can see it's really thick. And this is a stone it is cooking on. It's 700 degrees. I cannot touch this thing or I will be burned. And look, there's Chef Dave and his ribeye. pretty awesome. We also got a side of delicious veggies and cheese. Oh my heavens. That looks so good. How it tastes.
Sorry, I zoomed in on the food, so.
Man. That's really good. I'm glad I got it. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you found some things that might be interesting for you to try in your own keto weight loss journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.